In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background images to your email in Klaviyo. Whether you're aiming to enhance the visual appeal of your newsletters or simply want to add a bit more flair to your brand communication, setting up a background image is a straightforward process in this powerful email marketing platform. Let's dive in and make your emails stand out from the rest. To begin, direct your attention to the left panel of your Klaviyo dashboard. We're going to locate and click on the Content section. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to customize and design your emails. Once you've clicked on Content, look for the Templates option. This section contains all the email templates you've either created or are currently utilizing. Now that you're in the Templates section, it's time to select the specific email template you want to customize with a background image. Choose wisely depending on which campaign you intend to enhance visually. Clicking on the template title will open it in the Email Template Editor. This is where the creative magic happens. In the Email Template Editor, the next step involves identifying the specific section of your email where you want to place your background image. This could be the header, the body, or perhaps a call to action section. Simply click on the chosen section to ensure it's selected, and notice how the left panel changes to display the properties and settings for the element or section you've just selected. On the Properties panel, look for the option that says Background Image. This is the gateway to transforming that part of your email with an image that resonates with your message. Click on Background Image to move forward with this customization process. With the background image setting open, you're now ready to upload an image from your device. Select an image that complements your email's purpose and aesthetic. As you upload, Klaviyo will offer options to fit the image within the email section, as well as alignment settings. Play around with these settings to see how the image best fits and aligns, ensuring it enhances rather than distracts from your email content. And just like that, you've added a background image to your email. This simple visual tweak can significantly increase the engagement and professionalism of your emails. With your design set up, don't forget to save your changes and preview your email to ensure everything appears just the way you imagined. By taking these small steps, you're well on your way to creating visually appealing and effective email campaigns. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you found this walkthrough useful and you're now empowered to elevate your email marketing strategy with the addition of beautiful background images in Klaviyo.